Just a quick update about Cedar Point. I may have been wrong. Wow, shocker. About the GCI thing. So, recently Gerstlauer came out and they said that they are going to be working on a brand new kind of large-scale, sort of never-before-seen type ride for a yet undisclosed client. And we do know that Cedar Fair has worked with Gerstlauer before, most notably with Hang Time and Knott's Berry Farm. And then, to add fuel to the fire, Tony Clark posted a tweet about the weekend and how all good things need to come to an end with some footage of Wicked Twister. So people were like, okay, Wicked Twister's gonna get closed. And then they changed their live view camera on their website to Wicked Twister just for a day, which is kind of hilarious, which added more fuel to the fire. And then Tony Clark's just recently tweeted a picture of the exit sign of Wicked Twister. And let's see here. I'm gonna quote it directly. He said, "My day is now done, but I return tomorrow for more fun and games." Ostensibly talking about him leaving the park for the day, right? This was yesterday. But there have been rumors that they're gonna relocate Wicked Twister to one of their smaller parks. So, and that little haiku, it also has the, like I said, he tweeted the Wicked Twister exit sign, so this is adding more and more and more fuel to the fire that Wicked Twister, this is its last year. Which, you know, it doesn't get a lot of ridership. And then I want to say about Gerstlauer, I mean, that location, there's not a lot over there. The only really few things of note are mostly Wicked Twister and the plaza for Gatekeeper. And if you walk over in that section of the park, usually it's pretty empty and there's a lot of big open walkways. And you can follow that beach line pretty far. And they recently redid all of that, not too long ago. It's really nice looking. And you know, when I think of like a high quality pier coaster, Gerstlauer is one of the first that come to mind, specifically because of Iron Shark. But if you look at it, Hang Time also has that kind of beachy vibe. And I think that would be a great location for Gerstlauer. On top of it all, they currently are the world record holders for number of inversions with the Smiler in Alton Towers. So we could potentially be seeing, you know, I don't want to speculate too much, but we could potentially be seeing the world record breaking inversions coming to Cedar Point in 2022. I would still prefer GCI personally. And then Gerstlauer can build those rides pretty tall. And what's fun is, you know, a lot of their rides have beyond vertical drops. So it'd be really cool to see like a beyond vertical, you know, at the height of Magnum. It'd be kind of nifty. Kind of like Cannibal at Lagoon. But we'll see. That's all I have for now. I'm sure there will be more news and more Tony Clark tweeting to get people all riled up, especially since the park's opening very soon. All right, thanks, folks. We will talk to you again soon.